Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious, easy croutons for your Caesar salad. We'll start with just a few simple ingredients you likely already have on hand. The key to perfect croutons is using slightly stale bread, which gives them that ideal crispy texture. You'll need about 4 cups of cubed bread, along with some olive oil, garlic powder, salt, and a pinch of black pepper. It's a quick and rewarding process. First, take your bread and cut it into uniform cubes, about 1/2 to 3/4 inches in size. This helps them bake evenly. Next, place the bread cubes into a large bowl. Drizzle them with 2 to 3 tablespoons of good quality olive oil. Then, sprinkle in about 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Toss everything together really well, ensuring every single piece of bread is nicely coated with the oil and seasonings. Now it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread your seasoned bread cubes in a single layer across a large baking sheet. Make sure they aren't too crowded, as this helps them crisp up rather than steam. Bake for about 10 to 15 minutes, making sure to give them a good stir or flip halfway through. You're looking for a beautiful golden brown color and a wonderfully firm, crunchy texture. Once your croutons are perfectly golden and crunchy, remove them from the oven and let them cool completely on the baking sheet. This cooling step is crucial for achieving maximum crispiness. They are absolutely perfect for topping your favorite Caesar salad or even adding a delightful crunch to soups. To keep them fresh, store the cooled croutons in an airtight container at room temperature. They will stay delicious for up to 1 week, but are best enjoyed within 3 to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.